Right, so we're told the probability of A is 0.2 and the probability of B is 0.5. Represent this on a Venn diagram. So one way of doing this is to put the 0.2 in the A bit without the B, put the 0.5 in the B bit without the A, and you show therefore they can't happen at the same time by leaving nothing in the overlap. You could also have drawn the two circles in a way that they weren't connected. Now, all probabilities add up to 1. The probability that you're not in A and not in B will be 1 minus the two probabilities that you've got, which is 1 minus 0.2 plus 0.5 is 0.3. So that's the answer to the first question. Okay, so if two events are independent, the probability of A intersection B is simply probability of A times the probability of B. So you're showing your understanding of the law of independence by multiplying A and B together, so it's 1/4 times 1/5, which is 1/20. So for part B, if we're looking at the probability of A and the probability of B not happening, probability of A we already know is 1/4. Probability of B not happening is 1 minus probability of B happening. So that would be times 4/5. And take away a fifth is 4/5. So we're looking at 1/5 there. We'll just cancel those 4s. That's part B. Now on to part C. So on part C then, not being in A will be 3/4. Okay, I suppose I better write this out. Not being in A times not being in B will be 3/4 times 3/5. 4/5, shall I say. 4/5. And that will give me 3/5 as my answer. There we are. Question 2. Right then, question 3. So we look at the information I've got. There's only one, I'll do it in a different colour, one bit of information that we can put directly into the diagram, and that's in orange, and that's the bit that I am not in Q and I'm in R. So that's that bit there. So that 0.4 is I'm in R but I'm not in Q. Now, probably that I'm in R altogether is also 0.4, so there would be no overlap, so these would be mutually exclusive events, so that would be 0. So therefore the probability that I'm in Q would be 0.2 here, because I can't be in Q and R at the same time. So being outside Q and R would have to be 0.4, because all probabilities come to 1. So let's have a look at the questions we've been asked to do then. Find the relationship. So the relationship is for A is that they are mutually exclusive. Okay. Part B, probably that I'm in Q or R, well you simply add those two together or look at your diagram and do precisely the same. So that's going to be 0.6, okay, that's 0.2 plus 0.4. And finally, not been in Q and not been in R, well I've already identified that as being 0.4. And that's the question done.